Okay, I'm gonna open up this blind box. And the person recording this video is my friend Andy, who went by Andinator on Pokécommunity when we were 14 years old. I was Bubble Wrap, and now we're hanging out. So he chose this one. So I'm a fuck. I'm not trying to break my nails, fool. Fuck. Okay. Okay, what do I get? What am I getting? Okay, I'm just totally destroying this package. Okay. Is it? It's something brown. Is it the? I think it's. Oh, it's the Pincurchin. It's Pincurchin. It's Pincurchin. See? So I'm gonna put this in my room. But that was what this one was. I was hoping I would get the Skitty because I was telling about how I was so autistic that I would breed Skitties. I had like 3 boxes full of Skitties in my Pokemon Ruby. Like, it was so stupid. I wasn't even breeding for shinies. I was just doing it because I wanted to, you know? But yeah, okay. Happy, I don't know, Pokemon. Peace out.